Hey folks, today I want to share with you something that you could see when you're doing an inspection or you're looking to buy a house, or if you got a tuck pointer that really is not a good tuck pointer ripping you off. This is a perfect example. This is a great one. I got several videos on this type of stuff, but this is one of the better ones. You see right in here how this is falling out of here. Well, you come in here and you look, see, so what they do is they just rake out just a little bit, a bare minimum amount of material of mortar, and then they just put that little bit of crap in, and then they charge you the full amount. Or a real tuck pointing company will fix this. Look at this. They just spot tuck pointing this crap together, and there's no way it's going to adhere. This is bull crap, and they charge full amount. This is what you're looking for. Don't let them BS you. Thanks for watching our videos, folks. I appreciate you, and hit like and subscribe and share with your friends. We'd appreciate you. Ooh, look at this. Look at it. Oh wow. It even gets. Oh wow. Hey, I want to show you this here. I know I'm supposed to end this, but I got to share this. See right here? See how this mortar is literally coming out of here in this window? And so what's happening is water's getting down in behind here and getting down and through here and causing all kinds of moisture issues. I have no idea how bad this is until I get into the house, but this is what you're looking for. Thanks, folks. Have a great day. Appreciate you.